Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. Having trouble with too many requests? Please try again later error in Genshin Impact. Don't worry, it's actually quite common. This issue usually appears when you try logging in too many times in a short period or when the servers are under heavy load. The simplest fix is to wait a minute before trying again. In most cases, the problem resolves itself once the login queue clears. However, if it persists, here are a few more things you can do. First, try restarting your game or changing your password, as incorrect login credentials can also trigger this message. You can also update or reinstall the game if the files are corrupted, though that may take some time. Some player claims that using a VPN helps, but this will only work if your connection is stable. Otherwise, it might make things worse. And finally, if none of the solutions work, you can also reach out to Genshin Impact's official support team for direct assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.